Okay, this will be a quick video chart on KATX. Chart really hasn't done much since the last couple of times I've done it, acting pretty much like I thought it would. Just been going sideways, doing some consolidating, but at the same time has been doing some little kind of minor bullish things. But overall, the chart's still hanging in there. I know some people were sending me messages getting a little bit nervous, but sideways action is never a bad thing as long as the support levels hold, which they have been. And then you factor in volume, and it's been acting just like you would want to see it. So, literally, it's looking good on all fronts. So, I just kind of want to quick break down things, and that way everybody will have an idea of what to look for coming into next week, which remember is only a 4-day week, with Monday being Memorial Day. So we had this candle here, and that is one where it was kind of a sign that some consolidation was going to be needed, and that's exactly what we've been getting. But the chart has shown how strong it is, because this day here was essentially the only pullback, and then from there on out it's just been going sideways. So the current range right now that we've been experiencing is basically the high here, give or take a little bit, of 24 cents. So this right now is essentially kind of our the resistance part of the range. If you wanted to, you could bring it up here, and that'd be more than fair. But I'm just going to leave it here to show the sideways channel, and then the bottom of the channel is going to be down here where this gap close area was. And as you can see, it's only been tested a couple times, but every time it has been tested, the price has closed well above it. So that is, obviously a positive thing to see. And if you really wanted to, you could, draw some sort of, flag pull up here, and then you could say we have a nice bull flag pattern going, which once again is fair. I'm not going to do that because really the only thing I want to kind of focus on here is the sideways channel that we've been in. Now the other thing that has been occurring is the channel kind of within the channel has been putting in higher lows. So if that doesn't make sense, hopefully I can draw some pictures. So at the beginning of this channel, the lows were down here. Then we made a move up, and now the new lows of this channel have been right here. And then with this move up, it seems like the new lows are right up here around 22 cents. So like I said, within this overall channel, we've been putting in each one of these areas of higher lows. Now if the price comes down here and puts in some higher lows, does that mean everything's ruined? No, it just means that this little channel within a channel thing is no longer the case. But as long as this level holds here, no worries, because that's the key area of consolidation that we want right now. But I think the favorite part about this is during this sideways action here. If you look down here at volume, it has been decreasing, and if you're a follower of my videos, you know that that's one of the key things I look for is when the price is either going sideways or down, we want to see volume decreasing. That's the case here. So right now it looks like simple profit taking. The chart's clearly building a higher base, and as long as these support levels hold, then the chart's going to remain looking very strong, which it still does. So really the key support level right now is just simply going to be 18 cents. The key level that we want to see some separation and closing above is a 24-cent level, but until that happens, we just have this sideways action. And nothing wrong with that. This chart has a big history of consolidating, and that's just simply what's going on right now. Some sideways consolidation, so all is good. If there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and then you'll be on the newsletter, which is all free, and you get trade ideas, educational pieces, chart setups, all sorts of things, and we go over penny stocks, big boards, so there's quite a variety. We've been making some good money together, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was KATX. Thanks for listening.